Welcome back to my channel. This is Brunette Wig Place and I am Lisa. I am so glad that you are here today. Today I am wearing Alison by Jon Renau in the color 832 Cocoa Bean. Now just one little reminder before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and you will get a notification every time I post a new wig related video or hair chat video, anything related to hair loss on my channel. And also if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So today I am wearing Alison. This is from the Smart Lace collection for Jon Renau. This is one of the new releases that they just released for their fall 2019 collection. And it is a really cute, super low density. I mean, no permatease anywhere in this wig. Bob cut with a really cool edgy, I think the cut is very cute. It's very modern. It is a face, tends to be a face hugging style as opposed to one that blows away from the face. So that's something to keep in mind if you're not a person who likes the hair right around your face. And as you can see, she's a bit of a face flopper, so she is going to need some training. I have had her now for about a week, and the first thing I had to do was get her a little bit damp and work on this hair, and I am still kind of working on it. As I took her out of the box this morning, I found that she was kind of going back to her old ways and flopping again. So she is a full mono top with open wefted back and lace front, of course, the Smart Lace front. So you can part her anywhere you want to, which is nice. She came, of course, with the left side part. It was in a zigzag. I took the zigzag out. Like I said, I did get her a little bit damp right out of the box and tried to work on getting these layers because she was really like this. So don't be alarmed if you receive her and she's like that. Not all wigs pop from the box immediately on your head. A lot of times they have a little bit of a box head or, they just need a little training, a little styling. And she was not, the fibers are super light and very human hair-like actually, great synthetic fibers on these wigs. So really easy fibers to work with, and you can already see she's laying pretty well, away from my face. So I will do a turn so you can see her all the way around, and then we will get into all of her specs. So, cute front, very cute. I love the length, love the way these layers sort of turn in towards the neck. Very pretty. Right side. The back. My left. Again, real pretty how that turns towards the chin. And then back to the front. So her measurements are actually, here in the front, she is a 9-inch bang. And then she has, from the crown, she is 10.75 inches. The sides are 7.5 inches. There is one shorter layer. So I'm guessing maybe that is the 7.5 inch, either that or they are going from the mono top down. But there is a little bit of layering in her, but not a ton. And then her nape back here is 3.75 inches. So she has just a very gradual inversion to the cut, but it is not, it's not real drastic. When I had Raquel Welch On Point and Taylor by Noriko, I thought I was going to be able to pull off those, angled bobs, and I just couldn't do it. But this is just a real slight angle, just a very bit of an angle going from the back to the, to this down to the front here. And so it's not quite so obvious, not quite so graduated, and I'm a lot more comfortable with that style. So the color on this one is 832, which is also called Cocoa Bean. So we will get up close and look at this 832. Very, very pretty color. I was super anxious to try this. It's been recommended to me by some other ladies. I have always loved the 8RH14 from Jon Renau, but that one does have a visible highlight with that 14. This one is a blend of a medium golden brown and a medium natural auburn. So just 832 blended together. There might be, when we take it out in the sun, we might see a slight reflection of that red. I can kind of see it in the camera, but to the eye, it pretty much just looks like a solid blended color. Really, really pretty color though. And we will take it out here shortly and we'll look at it out in the sun. So let's look at the lace front on her. So lace front is pretty good. I feel like I'm seeing an improvement in Jon Renau lace fronts. When I first started wearing wigs in 2017, when I started learning about knots and everything, I felt like their knots were a little heavier, a little more obvious in these brunettes, and that is always, of course, a challenge with brunettes. Sometimes the knots are really obvious. I do think that the hair hangs so that you don't really see the knotting that much, but I definitely think I'm seeing an improvement in you know, I think the fibers, they feel a little more lightweight to me than they used to use. I don't know if there's a change or not. I'm just telling you what I feel. And then I think that the lace fronts are definitely have improved and look really good. So, and then like I said, full mono top so you can part her anywhere. So, you know, nice appearance of scalp there, and you have a long part, of course, that will go all the way back to the crown. So, really, really nice. Let me pop her off and we can look at the inside of the cap here. Now I do have to wear a wig band with her. So I've got my wig grip on and I have a nylon cap on. And this is how I will normally wear her. I will have a cap on plus the wig grip. She's just a little bit big. I'm only a 21-inch circumference. So I think she's very, very true to average. So, which is great. I think she's true to average plus, you know, but if you're petite, she does have Velcro adjusters. You can adjust her down a little bit. You can wear a wig grip. You know, there's some things you can do to make her fit. And she's snug on my head with this cap and this wig grip. So I'm very happy with it. I'm not worried about, you know, her coming off or anything. But I think it's good because it means that she will accommodate larger head sizes. And that's sometimes a problem with wigs that fit me. They don't always fit ladies that have a larger head size. So I think you would have no problem. There's plenty of stretch. There's plenty of room in this cap. And I'll show that to you when I put it back on my head. So like I said, she is a full mono top, lace front. We can look at that lace on the camera. See what I mean? I think the lace front is, I'm definitely seeing improvements to their lace fronts from what I feel like I used to see. But so full mono top, very nicely done, comfortable. She's got velvet ear tabs with a good size piece of metal. Those are, I've adjusted those for my head. They are not moving. Open wefted cap, stretchy. You know, they're stretched to the cap. And then she's got the Velcro closures, but she does not have an extended nape. I don't really feel like she needs an extended nape. She's a shorter piece. She's not a piece that I would be, you know, wearing, even attempting to wear up anyway, so extended nape is not something that I'm missing on this particular cut. So, get her in place here. With the wig, with getting her over a wig grip and over a wig cap, I do have to adjust her a little bit. Okay, my part's a little off here. Okay, but you know, she's not hard to get to work with. She pops back on and off really easily. I just really love the sleek cut. I think it's really, really nice. So I didn't cover the ear tabs. We can look at the ear tabs. The ear tabs are really good. Like I said, good piece of metal. I get them in place and I have good coverage. However, because of her low density, one thing that I'm seeing is I can see the ear tab. It doesn't have as much hair coverage on it. I actually like a lot of hair on an ear tab because that way I can comfortably pull the wig back and I don't feel like it looks like you're looking at, you know, cap right there. So I can really see cap right there. So that's something for me to keep in mind with this one as far as styling is concerned. So I can stick her behind my ear. She's perfectly fine for an ear tuck, but I want to tuck her and leave a little hair in front there, so that it looks more realistic and I don't have to worry about that edge of that ear tab showing. Because you see, when I pull that away, you can see that edge of the ear tab. So if I had a complaint about the ear tabs, that would be the only thing. But I really think that the reason for that was just in keeping this such a low density piece with no permatease in it. There's not as much coverage on those ear tabs. Now, you know, for styling and stuff, you can still just pull. She's super cute like this. I wore her like this when I was trying to train her. The first night I got her, I wore her out to dinner, and I was like, well, I'm just gonna have to pull that out of my way and go about my way. But actually, when you pull them back like this, sometimes it really does help with the training. So she looks really, really cute like that. And like I said, you can tuck her behind your ear. You could use any kind of clip. I think she would even maybe be cute, you know, maybe with a little headband. I'm not a big headband person. I have some thick headbands, but I don't have any little skinny ones. So, but I think she'd be cute with a little headband in her or something like that. I think you could put a hat over her and she would work. I think that would be really cute too. So, really, really cute style. Let's take her outside and we will look at 832 Cocoa Bean out in the sunlight. Okay, so here we are outside with 832 Cocoa Bean on this Jon Renau Alison wig. Really, really pretty brunette. I'm really loving this brunette. Very pretty. So I'll take her out in the sun and then maybe we can see a little reflection of that auburn, but I still just feel like I'm looking at a blended brunette, but very, very pretty blend. Auburn and medium brown blend. So you move out here in the sun. Can't tell. I think I'm seeing a little reflection of the auburn in the camera. Very, very pretty. She's such a cute wig. Oh my gosh, it's such a gorgeous day. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay, so as you can see, this 832 Cocoa Bean, very, very pretty out there in the sun. I went back and watched my coverage and I don't really think I could see any auburn. It kind of came out, you know, the color's definitely lighter outside than it is inside, but I think it's very, very pretty. I was almost seeing a little reflection of caramel in it. So, but just very, very pretty blend with this 8 and this 32. So the only other thing that I did to this wig was I did spray her with some dry shampoo when I first got her. I felt like she was a little bit shiny, but it wasn't terrible. It was just a general misting of it. It wasn't like one of those where I had to go through and just spray it to get the sheen out. That was not a problem with this one. So just a little bit of dry shampoo on it. Sometimes I feel like dry shampoo also just gives a little coating to the fibers and helps me to train them if they are in my face and I need to get them out of the way. So as far as the cap, I said there was some extra room in the cap that I would show you so you can see there is just some, you know, I can get some fingers in there. There's some extra cap back here. It's not bad on me. There's a slight wrinkle in the cap back here on me, but it's not anything that shows. You know, there's plenty of hair to lay over that area. So with having those roomy areas in the cap, I feel, you know, comfortable saying that this is going to fit average and above pretty easily. So I think it's going to be a cute wig for lots of different face shapes and lots of different head sizes. So great little piece. I purchased this piece myself at Wig Studio One. I highly recommend them. I always have a great buying experience with them, and I'm also in their support group on Facebook, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Recommend that Facebook group to you as well. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Appreciate you watching. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.